4 a.m. Lights are on. Family's asleep. It's still kind of, I say darkish bluish outside, I don't know. There's just one thing going around for me as an enthusiast. Let's catch some RMTs. It's 4.
Traffic and weather together here on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. Well, we think more than 30 miles at the KCBS area this day. It's 4:50. Now, this is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Your faith grows as you use the word to strengthen you through your emergency alert system.
Fail. What's the actual fuck? What the fuck? You failed. You failed, KCBS. Congrats.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
To better the lives of the
Come to think of it, this is just a way to make up for the RMT thingy that I accidentally deleted the files to a year ago. So to kind of make it like that a little as well, since I entered on time considering they tested early. But why don't we go outside and see what it's like, huh? Let's just get a breather of fresh air. Not bad. And just in case, I'm having you on 102.7, because I can't fucking trust you. Goodness, nice summer memories again.
This Father's Day, give yours a Home Depot gift card and give him the power to build, fix, grow, and grill. Shop today for a gift that gives Dad more with a Home Depot gift card.
It's nice. I don't know why. During the summer, early mornings have this nice smell here.
And from an electrifying sunset, inspiration was taken to create an electric ball designing unique cars inspired by making every mile exciting.
Coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations and cable television companies serving Mariposa, Merced, Madera, and Tulare counties. Equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
That's my first ever time getting KHGE ever since I confirmed it here, like late 2022 or something, or mid 2022. At least we confirmed they're delayed, that's for sure.